Hey guys, today we're doing a little project on the Luna, 2018 Luna. One of the things that we saw that we had a problem with was the stabilizers. I'm going to flip the camera around. So what we're going to do today is show you how we've taken the stabilizers from the back, and we have ordered new ones from Luna. So we've got them here. So they're matching and they're consistent, and we're putting them in the front. So we've gotten a chuck for the Black & Decker. It actually fits right in, and voila, you now have a stabilizer. Now we haven't installed the one on the other side yet, so I wanted to show you what we did to actually get the parts. We had to make a bracket. We took a full 3/16 I think 5/16 3/8 bolt. This was a single piece, and we put it in a vise and we heated it up and we bent the shape so that it would go around the actual frame. And I just dropped all the parts. So what we have for parts on each side is a non-locking nut that we put up here. Then we have a locking washer that goes on. Then it goes in the stabilizer. And then on the other side, we've got just a regular nut, and we have a locking nut. Regular washer and a locking nut. This is what the end product looked like when it's done. And it fits right up on the top. And you saw me actually drill it down. So now we're going to show you how to do the install. Oh, and in the end, we used a big bolt. It's a 1/2 inch screw bolt.
Just fix it to the frame.
That goes into the frame. So that's the parts we had. I think it cost us about 86 cents for the bolts, probably about $10 for the steel to actually bend, and then we had trial and error to do the bracket. So we're going to do the install for you now, okay? So now we're going to get underneath here and look. So we've got the stabilizer arm. We put it all the way to the back of where the frame component was, right up to the back. So you could have used a bolt when we screwed this in. Now what we're going to do, we put the two nuts, went ahead and pre-put them on, and we're going to go through the frame that's down here, and then we're going to line up. We're going to put the walking nuts on there, but we're going to line this up. We're going to install these on here, put the washers on the other side, and then we're going to start the bolt, and then I'll come back. Okay, we're back. We've now installed the nut. We've got the lock nut behind it, regular washer, and the locking nut. I'm sorry, this is a locking washer. I'm sorry, I'm just under here doing this. So that's what it looks like. And now we're just going to tighten this up. We're holding it up on the back end. We're using the back corner as the measurement, and we're going to probably bring that in about 1/4 of an inch once we do it. But let me go ahead and tighten up and we'll go to the next one. Okay guys, now I've tightened up this bolt, and what I'm trying to do is to put just a little tension so this wing actually starts going up at an angle, just a short little bit, and that, like, this one is up just a little bit. I want this one to be up the same way, and then I'll start tightening everything up, and we'll then go look at the back. So the back, you can see, is actually right here. It's actually tight, so I just need to push this up, put in the bolt, and it'll hold itself in place. All right, we'll be back. Okay, we've got everything installed. My trailer is at an angle right now, but you can see the two jacks that are almost underneath on both sides. Go ahead and push on it. And look at the stability now. It's not moving.
Not like it was before.
At all. So that with all 4 stabilizers down, not something you're going to use all the time, but it provides you stability a lot better than it was. Hope this video was good for everybody. Talk to you later.